Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a crafty haul. I will give myself a pat on the back simply because I don't have that much to share, but I still have plenty to share. I'm just saying, like, I did less shopping for craft supplies this month, which is a good thing because I have enough. And I honestly don't scrap that much to kill it all real quick. You know what I mean? This is like a constant dilemma. But let me show you what I did pick up. So if you don't follow Peachy Cheap on Instagram or get their newsletter, you need to. Peachy Cheap does have some great, like, almost like their sales every day, and then once they sell out, they're gone, and then it changes the next day. So I always look at it, and I always contemplate whether I would need it or not. And this one came across the other day, and I totally bought it because it's been on my save to cart for a while. It is New Day by Echo Park. Love this colorway, and it came with the entire kit. So it came with the 12 by 12 collection kit, the decorative brads, the frames and tags ephemera, the regular ephemera, and the enamel dots. All of this was $19.99, which I thought was a steal. It is an older collection, but since I still didn't play with it yet, I thought $19.99, perfect time to buy. So I did. And if you know, I do believe Traci Reed designed this collection, which is an extra bonus because I am on her design team, and playing with her stuff is super fun all the time. So if you're not familiar, I'll flip through it real quick. Here are your 3x4 cut apart sheets. Love a simple floral pattern, a great bold floral pattern, a pink gingham. This one has cameras repeating, a navy blue with the white dot, another cut apart page, sunshine, some suns, a small flower on navy, a green smaller gingham. This sheet's so fun. It's rainbows, ice cream, the 4x6 horizontal cut apart page, a great plaid tone on tone, flowers, a green foliage, a plaid, some clouds, another cut apart sheet. Oh, I love that one. I love that one. With some banners on the back, some bees, a great yellow, and some flower baskets, repeating rainbow, and a tone on tone flower. So cute. So this will be coming up in layouts hopefully soon because it is a very springy summer collection. And once again, they came with the brads and all the pieces. So that was Peachy Cheap. Then I did a small order at A Cherry on Top. I finally broke down and got the Simple Stories Wildflower collection. You saw me haul like 2 or 3 or 4 pieces of paper, and I got the ephemera pack. But as I've been seeing Simple Stories design team design it, I love the colorway of this. So I did buy just the collector's pack, and I did get the brads and the foam thickers for this collection as well. So the papers, if you have not seen them, real quick. Floral. This is the page I did buy, this one. Love that. Love that. See? Yeah, so excited. I did buy this one already, so I do have this one. Love that. This is similar. Love this. You see, so it's totally my vibe. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. So, got the tag sheet, the cut apart tags, the cut apart journaling bits. I love that too. Another cut apart. On that neutral. Cut apart. And the 3x4 cut aparts. So cute. Very cute. So I have this collection to work with, and you've been seeing me work with the full bloom, so now I can add this one into the mix. Then I just brought 2 off of thickers. So I got, what is this one called? This one is Foam Thickers from the Good Stuff. I'm just realizing I like the titles when I do like full page photos in my 6x8 family album. So I love these bold ones. And then this one, I believe, is a Vicky Bouton collection called Perfect Day. And then I also bought Blossom acetate leaves in the pink and the blue. So it's called Inkwell and Blossom. So they're the same. 49th and Market is quickly becoming one of my favorite companies. They're having a rainbow collection come out in May, which I'll do another cherry on top order soon enough. But I just loved their plastic little, like leaves So I was like, yes. And then the reason why I got it too was because the Heidi Swap Set Sale collection was finally available. So I got the stickers. Yeah, so little stickers like this. I didn't get everything because there is a thicker collection. There is a few other pieces. I love the colorway of this collection. I do not necessarily love the nautical set sail theme because I really don't ever go on a boat. So the thickers and stuff, they were in my cart. They were gold foil, but everything was like set to sea, you know, things like that, where I was like, I will never use these titles on anything. I don't like the beach. I don't go on boats. But for the collection being for summer and just all the blue tones and the soft greens and the beiges, loved it for that. So the ephemera pack. Yeah, see, even this one's better because it just says Obsessed, Perfection, and Uncharted, Sail Away. So like, you know, sail away won't be used, but the other ones were kind of fine. On the thicker collection, it was definitely geared towards being on the ocean, and I was just like, nah. So I got the envelope and pocket set. So see the colorway? They're just like these blues, greens, and some peach and blush colors. Just love the colorways, and I love the secret part. So it reminds me a lot of like a Stop to Blur kit. There's interactive elements. Then these are just kind of all the little tags and journaling bits. It's called ephemera, but it's everywhere where you can journal. Loved it. And then I picked out the papers I liked, and then I got a few papers from Woodland Grove. That's the new Maggie Home collection. So this weathered wood, love it. Love the beachy side too. Love these seashells so much. Love this side too, but I got it for the seashells. Got the cut apart sheet. So cute. A good neutral. Sailboats. It's very tiny, but I got it for this weathered navy and white stripe. Again, with this nautical sailboat thing, but I got it for the textured rope side. A good repeating pattern. I got it for the good stripe. See, this is the colorway. Love that color palette, like a lot. So, you know, I got it for this side, see what I mean? I definitely got it for the seashells here. Got it for the cut apart, and got it for the weathered wood. So these are the sides I want. Got this to cut apart, but in the back is like this nice tan wave look that I got to cut it apart. A good blush ledger, but the weathered wood. Actually, I can use either, but I think I got it for the wood. Definitely got it for the gray. Yeah, because the side is nautical. So these are the sides I got it for. Very beautiful collection. And then these are the ones I got from the Maggie Homes. I got 2 sheets of this black and white and gray floral. I definitely want to cut up one, and then probably whatever one I cut up, use the back and do some black and white layout. That'll come soon. Love this like hydrangea looking one, and a great plaid, but always for the floral. And then this one as well, that one to cut up. And then this was a fun background too. So these were the ones. And yes, I didn't get the ephemera. Yes, I had it in my cart, but I'll be honest. I think in the end, I have so much, like for instance, like right here, I can pull out marigold unused. Like I have unused ephemera. This one is flourish. Sitting at my desk, and like all of the floral bits are, you know, like Maggie Homes. Like I have plenty. So I just thought I don't need the ephemera. Like I have plenty of ephemera that I can make anything of this work. And plus, I almost feel like my style, since I've been doing the 6x8 a lot and like making a full page photo and then other bits, I don't need to have all of the embellishments because it's a little bit lighter, but I do like a good title. I love some of this neutral looking embellishments that could work really well. So this was my cherry on top. Let me just grab a few more things on my haul and we'll be done. Okay, the last few things. My caveat, this tape is hard to find for this refill. I do find it at Joann's, but I feel like at my Michael's it's hard to find. And then the Tombow ones, to me, are very expensive. So this Scotch double-sided tape is my gateway into seeing if this double-sided tape can work as well as an option if it's readily available for my memory keeping. And then I had picked up the Sharpie S1 Duo tip. So one side is the chisel tip and one side is a bold marker or a fine tip marker. And simply because I am using my planner more lately, so there's a chisel tip, and I just want to color code certain things. So like things for YouTube and work and Valentina's schedule. And I've been trying to discipline myself to use my planner. So I picked this up at Walmart on an attempt to do that. And then lastly, I have, I guess it's not a subscription, but I did purchase Scrappin Happy Studio's Happy Studio Happy Mail box. That's a mouthful. Adorable box. Love her logo. I will leave the link to this down below. There she is. And what this came with, oh, I took this part out so it was easy, was like a good selection of her flare, canvas flare, epoxy flare, and mini flare to go along with some new release collections that she had mentioned was like Paige Evans, Jen Hadfield, and Cocoa Vanilla. But I just love the whole collection. So it comes with these beautiful butterflies. They almost look like watercolored. And I actually got an extra one on the thank you card. These mini, just great colored, solid colored epoxy. These ones that look like buttons. So it's even the color, I guess that she was saying like the colorways can work with those collections. But overall, I just thought these are colors I work with. So I'm going to get this because the price can't be beat for all of these packs. And I believe it was $30 or $40. I'll leave it linked down below. These that have a few decorative hearts and then some sentiment on it. Happy, lovely day, sweet smile. Again, just thought I could use it on a bunch of things. So this definitely ran to me. Like I was drawn to it. These are the canvas ones with small sentiments. These are also canvas with the cameras. You could always throw a camera on a layout. These sweet ones. And then the flowers. And I love those too. So, like I said, for all of this was, I think, $30. And I was like, yeah, sign me up. I'll get your Happy Mail box. And that's why I think she didn't make it a subscription. Like, it won't come, like, every month. She was just, like, testing this out if people would be interested. So, I hope she got a good response to it. But I thought it was simply fantastic. And the sizes, even for the canvas, are a little bit bigger than the epoxy, which is kind of good. So, you got size variety. Remember when I got, and then these are, like, her minis. So that's even slightly smaller than those. Just love it. Really love it. And so, yeah, you'll see some epoxy flare on my layouts. That is my haul. That is all I've done. Now, don't get me wrong. I still always have my Allie Edwards Stories by the Month and Story Kit come in, but I never really show the subscriptions. And I skipped this month on Studio Calico and Heidi Swap. So yeah, so I didn't have that many extra goodies, but I also say I've been like not to say burnt out. That's not the word I want to say, but I haven't had creative juice. So I haven't really scrapped this week. I've been cleaning my house and I'm prepping for Week in the Life that I'm going to be documenting next week, which the community is doing this week. So got a few new goodies to, play with in the upcoming weeks. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.